Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2024 Ford Ranger XLT. Coming in this nice carbonized gray metallic coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with a sport appearance package and the trailer tow package. Taking a look at the back here, got that tow hitch, rear park sensing, backup camera of course. We do have mud flaps on the rear. And while moving to the front, we have mud flaps on the front, blind spot detection, and moving to the front, we do have this nice new looking grille. We have a block heater down there, license plate bracket, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black and gray textured cloth interior, plenty of door space in the back, got some nice leathering as well. Got a fair bit of storage here, USB and USB-C, and 120 volt. And of course, if you don't need that extra person, you can fold this out for 2 cup holders and some arm space. And you can lift up the seats if you need additional space as well. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have manual seats. The same cloth interior we saw in the back there. We got the nice Ranger logo on the floor mats. Plenty of door space with that same leathering. Got your lights just right there, and a new look to the dash as well. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 13.7 kilometers. Nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control just right there. And looking at your main screen here, you do have My View, Trip and Fuel, Off-Road, Towing, Audio, Phone, Navigation, Vehicle, and Vehicle Maintenance. And looking over here, leather up gear shift, speed adjusters, parking brake, auto hold, your drive modes, which do include normal, eco, sport, tow and haul, and slippery. And continue your look here, traction, our four-wheel drive, cup holders, more storage here, wireless charging pad, USB, USB-C, and a nice bit of storage. Nice leather up center console with plenty of storage and a 12 volt. You do have your basic climate controls there, and your volume's just in the middle, but most of your climate controls are just right there on your infotainment system. Nice little storage here with storage in the glove compartment. And looking at your big infotainment system, you got your main screen where you do have AM, FM, all the usual, but you do get SiriusXM capabilities, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. Main climate controls, got your phone so you can see what phone's been connected and what phone is currently connected. You do get good navigation with this vehicle. Your music. As well as your towing controls. And up here, your settings such as radio, phone, navigation, sketch, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay compatibility, and your settings for the vehicle, and your backup camera. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is LE40153, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.